In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite a domain manager to your Squarespace website. By doing this, you can invite essentially someone on your team, a partner, or someone you trust to set up and manage your domain for you. So you just need to invite them and they'll be able to join with an invitation link. So what you need to do once you're on Squarespace, go to the two lines in the top right hand corner, then go ahead and log in to your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be on your dashboard. You then want to head over to the domains area and then find your domain. So I'm going to use this one, knowledgebasehowto.com. If you go ahead and click on it, you'll then be able to go to permissions on the left. Then once you're in permissions, you can invite a domain manager. So you can see here that you can add people to help manage your domain or transfer the domain ownership. So you can go ahead and invite a domain manager here. It's going to open up this window where you just need to verify that this is you. Once you've done that, you can then invite a domain manager. So I'll just invite here Bradley, and we can go ahead and enter in another email here. So enter in the name and the email, then click on invite. And then here you can see the invite has been sent, and they will then see that in their inbox. So here is that invitation, and then all that person would have to do is click accept invitation. I'm just going to open it in an incognito window, and then what they would need to do is go ahead and create their own account on Squarespace, and then they would have accepted the invitation. They will then be able to manage and essentially set up your domain for you if you are having trouble, or if you just want a partner to help you.